Welcome to this video about the new automated assignment of records feature introduced in the Summer 16 release of BMC Remedyforce. This video provides an overview of how automated record assignment works and the steps to configure automated assignment. Before this release, you could manually assign records to queues and staff members. With the enhancements made to the record assignment feature, you can now automate the process of assigning records to staff members. Automated assignment feature ensures immediate routing of records to the appropriate queue or staff member, which in turn ensures quick resolution of incidents and service requests with no human intervention. Note a few important points about automated assignment of records to staff members. This feature is available only for the incidents and the service requests modules. Automated assignment to staff members and queues works independently. You can configure automated assignment of records to staff members without configuring queue auto assignment, and the converse is also true. Note that the Enable Queue and User Assignment checkbox must be selected for automated assignment of records to work. To be able to automate record assignment, you must enable queue and user assignment. This can be done by navigating to Remedyforce Administration, Application Settings, Record Assignment, and selecting the Enable Queue and User Assignment checkbox. After you enable queue and user assignment, in the Assignment Details section for all modules in the Remedyforce console, the owner field is replaced with the queue and staff fields. Let's see how you can configure automated assignment of records to staff members. To configure automated assignment of records to staff members, navigate to Remedyforce Administration, Application Settings, Record Assignment. On the Record Assignment tab, if you have already selected the Enable Queue and User Assignment checkbox, the Configure Staff Auto Assignment button is displayed. On the Staff Auto Assignment page, a list of active queues with staff members belonging to the queues is displayed. If your staff members work in multiple shifts to resolve incidents and service requests, on the Staff Auto Assignment tab, you can configure the automated assignment of records based on business hours. Click Enable Auto Assignment based on business hours to enable the automated assignment of records that are created during those business hours to staff members who are selected for those specific business hours. To see the list of staff members based on business hours, you must use the Filter by Business Hours option and select staff members who belong to those business hours. If you want to select all staff members in the business hours, select Assign. Here, the selected queue is hardware queue and the staff members belonging to this queue and working in the morning shift are displayed. The next step is to start the assignment automation process. Navigate to Remedyforce Administration, Application Settings, Record Assignment. In the Assignment Automation section of the Record Assignment page, click Start to begin automated assignment of records. This process runs every few minutes and checks for new records that meet the criteria for automated assignment. If you need to stop the automated assignment process, click Stop. However, BMC recommends that you do not stop the scheduler after the automated assignment of records has been initiated. If you stop and restart the scheduler, any incidents or service requests created in the interim are not considered for automated assignment to staff members. If you have a single staff member, the records are assigned to that staff member. However, if you select multiple staff members that belong to one queue for automated assignment, record assignment is done by round-robin method. In round-robin method, when record A is created, it is assigned to staff 1, who is at the top of the list of staff members. Record B is assigned to staff 2. Record C is assigned to staff 3. And record D is assigned to staff 4. When record E is created, it is assigned to the staff 1 who is at the top of the list, and the last incident assigned time for this staff member is longer than any other staff member in the list. This is how the round-robin method of assignment works. Staff members who are selected for round-robin assignment during specific business hours are automatically assigned records that are created only during those business hours. For example, here you can see that the records created during 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. are assigned to staff members who work during those business hours, and similarly for staff members who work during 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. business hours. In both cases, assignment of records is done by round-robin method. Note that records created between 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. are not automatically assigned to staff members. For more information about the automated assignment of records, see docs.bmc.com. We hope this video has helped you familiarize yourself with automated assignment of records in the Summer 16 release of BMC Remedy Force. Thank you for watching.